A very good morning to all. So in the last class, we learnt about the two wars, that is World War I and World War II. And we learned the birth of the United Nations and its main objectives. Now today, we'll continue from page number 84. That is, we are going to discuss about the 6 organs of the United Nations. The first one is General Assembly, second Security Council, third Secretariat, fourth International Court of Justice, fifth Economic and Social Council, and the sixth one is Trusteeship Councils. So we will be discussing each one of them. So the first one is General Assembly. Now it is the main organ of the United Nations. It consists of 193 member countries and India is one among them. Now here each country have one representative, that is one vote, and they meet once in a year. Here they discuss the working of the United Nations and various other issues. For example, if there is starvation or hunger, then all the member countries come together and they discuss to overcome this issue. Another example is like poverty. If there is poverty, then all the member nations come and they discuss about the steps to be taken to overcome this poverty. Here, the decisions regarding issues are taken and these decisions are based on voting. That is, the decisions taken should get the maximum number of votes to be passed. So, this is the main function of General Assembly. The next one is the Security Council. Now, this is the most powerful organ of the United Nations and it is responsible for maintaining peace and security. This consists of 15 members, out of which 5 members are permanent members, and the 5 permanent members are the United Kingdom, the United States of America, France, Russia and China. And these permanent members have veto power, which means I deny. So out of these 5 member countries, if one member country votes against any decision, then that decision would not be passed. So this is the veto power. So the other 10 members are elected by the General Assembly for the term of 2 years. So this was about the Security Council. Next, we'll move on to the third organ, that is Secretariat. Now the Secretariat means the people who works in the UN, that is the staff members are known as the Secretariat. Now they look after the day-to-day works of the United Nations. Now this Secretariat has a head and the head of the Secretariat is the Secretary General and he or she is appointed by the General Assembly, that is 193 member countries, and they are elected for a term of 5 years under the recommendation of Security Council. Now the Secretary General is a powerful person and it makes sure that the decisions taken by the Security Councils are applied. So this was about the functions of Secretariat. Now here you can see United Nations Secretary General and his name is Antonio Guterres. So he is the present Secretary General of the United Nations. Now let's discuss the other organ of the United Nations, that is International Court of Justice. Now this is the judicial organ of the United Nations and the headquarters is located in the Hague, the Netherlands. It consists of 15 judges who are elected for the term of 9 years. And here they discuss the conflicts between the countries and it gives advice on international law and human rights. So these are the jobs of International Court of Justice. Next organ is Economic and Social Council. In short, we say ECOSOC, that is capital E, capital C, capital O, capital S, capital O and capital C. In short, we say ECOSOC. Now, this works under General Assembly and it looks after the programs of the United Nations. For example, if any developing country needs help, then this ECOSOC go forward and give support and help that developing nation. Now, this is also responsible for promoting better living standard, full employment, economic and social progress, health and education progress, and various other issues. Now, this consists of 54 members. Those are elected by the General Assembly for a period of 3 years. So, this was about the organ, Economic and Social Council. Now, the sixth organ is the Trusteeship Council. It was established in the year 1945 and it was established to look after 11 countries. Now, these countries were known as trust. So, at the time of the establishment of Trusteeship Council, these 11 countries were not independent. But later on, they became independent and they got freedom. So, this council is not functional now. This was about the different organs of the United Nations. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.